Okay, so I was having an issue before with the Facebook pixel basically just not firing when you click on a button on ClickFunnels. This could apply for really any page. In this case, it would say 2+ free shipping sort of page, like a tripwire funnel page. So the issue is basically, so I'm just gonna go on the page real quick. So over here on the top, it says, okay, my page view gets fired, my view content gets fired, but my add to cart, my lead aren't fired. I want both of these to be fired when you click on this go to step button. Okay, so the way that works is, well, first of all, let me just click go to step. Okay, so now I clicked on go to step and I'm gonna check if it got fired, and it didn't. And the thing is that there is button code, right? We did add the button code, but it still didn't get fired. Now, if you're not sure about the button code, basically how it works is if you look over here, and this is mostly for every ClickFunnels funnel, is the href is submit dash form dash two step. So if you actually click on the edit page for this funnel, for example, going on the funnel, we go to tracking code. Over here, you'll see that I have the lead and the add to cart under this, but it wasn't firing even after I clicked on it. So I'll provide the code for this, but basically what this code is doing is it executes anything here as long as the button is clicked. Okay, so you can really add any Facebook code in here, but this is the one I added, add to cart and lead. So basically what I did was, the reason it isn't working, it's actually very simple, is because, and this is kind of how I found out, is if you right click and do inspect and then go to console, you don't have to do this, it's just something I used. On the top it says dollar is not defined, so it seems like ClickFunnels is not actually including the jQuery. So because it's not including the jQuery, you have to include the jQuery yourself manually. And so you can just put in an external link to a jQuery. So over here, which I'll also put in this, I'll put everything in the description, this is the script file. And then you basically just paste that in there and then boom. You just paste it right before the actual button click and then it's gonna work. Okay, as long as you're using any jQuery, just place that before the jQuery that you use and it should work. Just to show you, I'm gonna click save. Uh, I'm gonna click preview. Get that out of the way. So now I'm on this page again. As you can see over here, lead still hasn't been fired, which is correct. It shouldn't be fired until I click the button. And if you also see on console, that error message is not there anymore. So if I click on go to step 2, you'll see that it turned to 6. If you go down, the lead has been fired and the add to cart has been fired. Alright, well, hope you learned a lot. And everything is in the description. So, yeah, cool.